Okay, this is some practice with unit rate. And unit rate means how much for one. Unit means one. Like unicycle is one wheel. Unicorn has one horn. Unit means one. How much for one? All right, here we go. A skydiver. Wait, here we go. A skydiver falls 144 feet in 3 seconds. Okay, right away, I see that information, and I know that goes together. So I'm going to put 144 feet over 3 seconds. How far does the skydiver fall per second or for 1 second? Now we could do this a couple ways. You could say how much for 1 second and set up a proportion. Or you could simply just divide this, and that will tell you how many for 1 second. Okay, so let's try it both ways. Let's try 144 divided by 3 is going to be 48 feet in 1 second. And that would be your answer. And you will see that written like this: 48 feet per second per 1 unit. Now, if you do the proportion way, you would go 3x equals 144, and look what happens. You end up dividing it by 3 anyway, and that will give you 48. So that works too. So if you get confused on how you're figuring this out, you could always fall back on that proportion. But in this case, for unit rate, you basically just have to divide the units to figure out how much for one, depending on what they're asking for. So let's look at this one. Steve drives 178 miles on 3 gallons of gas. Find how much miles for 1 gallon. Okay, so I'm going to go 78 miles for 3 gallons. How much for 1 gallon? And I could just divide that. And that will be 78 divided by 3. 26 miles for 1 gallon. 26 miles per gallon. We don't have to write the 1 there. It's kind of like that invisible 1 when we're working with math. All right, here we go. You score 84 points in 6 games. How much would you score per 1 game? For 1 game. Okay. 84 points. And it's really important that you label these. In 6 games. How many for 1 game? So this is going to be points. And all I do is divide it. 84 divided by 6. 14 points. Excuse me. 14 points per game. You might see it written like that. Okay. Here we go. 1 bag of pretzels costs $3. 5 bags cost $10. Which has the lower unit price? So we got a $3 bag and we have a $10 bag. Okay. We want to know which one has the lowest price. So the $3 bag is for 1 bag of pretzels. The $10 bag is for 5 bags. So we want to know which one is the lower unit, how much 1 bag would cost. Well, this is already $3 for 1 bag. This one I have to figure out how much it will cost for 1 bag. Well, that's easy. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So it's $2 for one bag. So would you rather buy the $3 bag, $3 for one bag, or would you rather pay $10 for 5 bags, which really come down to $2 per bag? Which one has the lower price? The $10 bag is the lower price. Okay. It costs $3.99 for 25 fluid ounces of detergent, or $6.99 for 90 ounces, which is the better buy. Okay, so I always like to put money on top, because it's usually how much per whatever. $3.99 for 25 fluid ounces, or $6.99 for 90 fluid ounces. Now I just have to find out how much it's going to cost for 1 fluid ounce, flaws, and how much for 1 flaws, fluid ounce. And I just go ahead and divide those. All right, so $3.99 divided by 25. I do this often in the store to try to figure out which is the better deal on things sometimes. I use my calculator. I'm not that good without my calculator. All right, so this is, I'm just going to write down the first 3 numbers. And I know that that's money. And this is about 15 to 16 cents for 1 fluid ounce. $6.99 divided by 90 is going to be, $0, $sign here, 0.7, no, wait, sorry, 0.077, and if I look at that, that's about 7 cents per fluid ounce. So which is the better buy? Well, probably the $6.99 is the better buy, and you need to label that in your answer, the better buy. Okay, and the last one, I have a 16-ounce package of brown rice that costs 79 cents, and a 32 package of white rice costs that. Okay, which is a better deal? All right, so this information goes together. I'm going to circle that. That goes together, and that goes together. Okay, I'm going to start with the first one, 79 cents. $sign 0.79 over a 16 ounce. I want to know how many for 1 ounce. And $3.49 for a 32 ounce. Okay. I want to know how much for 1 ounce. Finding how much for 1. Okay, 0.79 divided by 16. That will be 0.049. Okay, I'm gonna come back to that one. And then the next one is, so if I divide this right here, 349 divided by 32 is $sign 0.109. Which one's the better deal? Well, you have to look at it like it looks like money. So this is about 4 cents, 2 places after the decimal, and this is about 10 cents for 1 ounce. So which one is the better deal? The 16-ounce package of brown rice or the 32 package of white rice? Well, right here, the 16-ounce package. I need to write this out. This is sloppy on this thing, but of brown rice is the better deal. So make sure you put that in words when you're dealing with word problems. Okay, I think that is it for this assignment. I just want to make sure you understood unit rate a little bit better. Thank you.